Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your BMW X4 key fob. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is a common coin cell battery, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button to release the emergency key blade, then slide it out. This will reveal a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. The positive, or plus, side is usually marked. Use your screwdriver to gently lift out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear them snap securely into place. Ensure there are no gaps. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your BMW X4. It should be working perfectly with its new battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.